Hello friends! Today we're going to review the world's first tri-fold phone, the Mate XT Ultimate Design. But before we dive into the video, let me give you a quick reminder, my dear friend. Don't forget, you're my source of motivation. It might take me days to prepare a video, but subscribing to the channel takes only 2 seconds of your time. So, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The more you support my work, the more I'll continue bringing you the latest tech product videos. Now, let's jump into reviewing this massive phone. Enjoy! Huawei has officially unveiled the Mate XT Ultimate Design, the world's first phone that folds into 3 parts. Recently, the company released this innovative tri-fold phone, and review videos demonstrating its features, such as transforming into a 10-inch tablet when fully expanded, are now circulating. A hybrid device, phone and tablet. When completely folded, the Mate XT Ultimate Design is comparable to a standard smartphone, featuring a 6.4-inch display and a thickness of 12.8 millimeters, making it relatively slim for a tri-foldable device. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 12.1 millimeters in thickness. The phone also offers flexibility in use, allowing one section to be unfolded, creating a 7.9-inch screen with a 7.45 millimeter thickness. When fully extended, it morphs into a 10-inch tablet with an impressively slim profile of 3.6 to 4.75 millimeters. However, its weight of 298 grams might make it a bit cumbersome for regular phone use. With its dual-hinge design, the Huawei Mate XT provides various usage options. One segment can be folded to serve as a stand, allowing the rest of the phone to be used hands-free. Additionally, the device can stand upright with the help of the included case stand. My dear friend, I need to remind you of something. I need your support to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comprehensive inbox contents. The Mate XT Ultimate Design comes packaged with several accessories, including the phone, both home and car chargers, 2 USB cables, Huawei FreeBuds 5, and a protective case. The videos also highlight how effectively Harmony OS adapts to the continuously changing screen size and orientation. My precious friend, I want to make a small reminder. I need your help to reach 1,000 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Price and availability of Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design. The Mate XT Ultimate Design will be available in black and red, with the 16 GB plus 256 GB model starting at $2,808. The mid-tier 16 GB plus 512 GB version is priced around $3,089, while the high-end 16 GB plus 1 TB version will cost approximately $3,370. Pre-orders are now open for the Mate XT Ultimate Design, and sales will begin in China on September 20th. It is still uncertain if the device will be released globally. Thank you for watching. To stay updated with my latest content, please support the channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Your support helps me reach my goals and allows me to continue providing you with quality tech reviews. Remember, my friend, subscribing to the channel only takes 2 seconds. If there's a product you'd like me to review in the next video, don't forget to mention it in the comments.